Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sean.rampersaud here again. Today, I'm going to be talking to you again about refinancing. Now, I've done some other videos about refinancing, but today's video is going to be about if refinancing is right for you. Should I refinance my mortgage? It's a comprehensive guide. So, first of all, what is refinancing? Let's start with the basics. So, refinancing, you've probably heard of it before, but it is basically when you cancel your current mortgage obligation in order to refinance your property into a new mortgage obligation. So you're getting rid of your old loan basically, and you're getting a new loan. I really like to simplify things for people because there's all of this kind of lingo out there in the finance world. Let's get rid of the lingo. You're getting rid of your old loan. You're getting a new loan with new terms and conditions. The terms and conditions can change. It can be a 5-year term. It can be a 30-year term. You can extend the term of your mortgage so you get lower payments. There's a lot of different things you can do when you refinance a mortgage. So why would you refinance a mortgage? Number one, to shorten the term or the time it would take to pay your mortgage off. That could be one of the reasons you refinance your mortgage. Next, you may want to get lower payments. So to get lower payments, right now there may be a lower interest rate, so you may refinance to get a lower interest rate. Or you might want to extend the term of your mortgage, extend the amortization, it's called, but make it the term of your mortgage longer so that your payments are smaller. So if you're in a position where you need lower payments, then you can get those lower payments by refinancing your property. To access your home equity. So home equity is basically the money that you've paid into your property, and it's sitting there, okay? It's sitting there. And there's a lot of reasons people would want to access that money. You may want to start a business. You may want to pay off debt. There's just a plethora of reasons that you would want to refinance that mortgage in order to access that equity. But there are reasons that you should not refinance a mortgage. One, there could be very high costs to refinancing a mortgage. There could be big payout penalties. So if you have a large payout penalty, run it by me so that I can calculate that in factor in and present it back to you on if it's worth it to refinance that property or not. It could reset the loan terms, so it may take longer to pay that mortgage off. Some people just want to avoid that. If you have a goal of retiring, as an example, at like 65 years old or 60 years old or 50 years old, whatever the number is, and you've aligned your original mortgage to that kind of term, then you're not going to want to extend the amortization. You're not going to want to refinance for different terms. So make sure you take that into consideration. You shouldn't refinance your mortgage if the new payments is going to be a lot more, unless you're offsetting that with paying off debt. So, for example, if you've got credit cards at 29%, $1,000 credit card payment, your current mortgage payment is 1,500. Your new mortgage payment, if you were to incorporate all of this debt, would only be 1,700, so $200 more. Then you're saving $800 a month by paying off the credit card debt by accessing the equity in your house. Then yes, you should refinance. But if that's not the case, then don't refinance. It doesn't make any sense. It has to make sense. So call me and let me see if it's worth it for you to refinance or not. So how do we calculate if refinancing is worth it for you? So I'll tell you how we calculate it, and then I will also suggest that you just give me a call and we run through the scenario together. First, you calculate what the total cost of refinancing is with any appraisal fees, any payout penalty fees, any legal fees, all of those numbers, okay? And then you save it on a piece of paper. Next, you're going to estimate your monthly savings. So you're going to figure out how much you're going to save by refinancing the property. Next, you divide the total cost of refinancing the property by your estimated monthly savings, and that's going to tell you if it's worth it to refinance or not. And then you consider the time frame into that as well. And like I said, everyone has a different time frame. So, what's the process of refinancing a mortgage? So, first, you're going to want to contact your bank, or you're going to want to contact your broker, or contact me. I get lower rates than the bank. So, you should definitely contact me if you're in Canada. But if you are outside of Canada, you may want to call a different mortgage broker. I always recommend talking to a broker rather than a bank, because a broker will be able to shop around at multiple places for you to find out who's going to give you the lowest rate. And that's who you should go with, whoever is going to give you the lowest rate and give you good service. Make sure you listen to a good high volume mortgage broker if you're going to be doing it. Refinancing overall, it can be a good move, but you have to weigh the pros and cons of refinancing. And I'm going to do another video just specifically on the pros and cons of refinancing, so you can understand whether if you should refinance or not. But I definitely think it is right if you are going to be saving some money, getting yourself into a better financial position and paying off the properties. So definitely those are cases where refinancing is going to be worth it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me rank higher on YouTube so that I can get this good information to people that need it so that they can save money. And check out some of my other videos. They're kick ass. Some of them will help you make money, some of them will help you save money. Call me if you have any questions. My information is in the comments below. Thanks.